Hi, Frank here. Welcome to Springer's Adventures. As always, I always appreciate everybody tuning in, checking out the videos. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Always never forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the content, and always ask or leave any questions below. So we're going to continue the series today. We're going to go over and check out the uncle's 67 Chevelle. He actually just came over here a minute ago, and he's ready to put the roof on the car. Needed an extra hand. It's a pretty big, bulky piece of material. So let's go check out the progress and get this roof on top of the car. So come along. No, we're good. All good.
How you gonna do this? What we gotta do, this has gotta flip up. Put your gloves down. We're gonna set it up on this edge, and then we get our hands regulated, and I'll show you. Then I'll walk around the car. You stay on this side. All right, so we're done. Gotta flip it up on the edge. On edge. All right. Okay, down. That's it. There we go. All right, now you gotta walk around this baby. Now you gotta come to me now. Come on. Like this? Okay, that's all right.
This is the back end, right? Just the back?
Yeah, you went the wrong way.
Yes. Yeah. I gotta go around here.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, keep going. You're going to go on that side now. Keep your hands in the middle. Okay, there we go. Now we got it. Okay, give me a breather. All right.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
There you go. Shove it all back. Look at that.
How about that?
Now you gotta squeeze it all down in there and weld it and everything. That's all gonna be squeezed
Yeah,
down.
this has to come back a little bit on this side.
Yeah, I gotta squeeze it all out. But see, that's the hard part, getting it all on there. Yeah. All this has gotta fit down inside the channel, see? I had to trim all this shit off here. It was too wide. But see what happens when I get this all squished down in there, this will bring the crown up a little bit. So what I do, here, get that. Okay. See that frame right in there? Put this inside of it. No. Right. Okay. Well, you gotta go the other way. Length. That's it. Length. There you go. Good.
Is that it?
That's good. See how it holds that up now. Good. That's what I want. Right there. That's heavy. It's about 100 pounds, I think, with all that insulation on it. Yeah. Take pile of that scrap pile.
Well, so here's all the stuff left from the car. All that rusty gold. No, really no gold there. Just really no gold, just a bunch of rust.
Going to Webster.
How much is this worth at the swap meet? Oh, about 3 cents a pound, I guess.
So we got a trailer full. All right. Hop back in the car and take it back.
Quarter panels on. Floor all looking good.
I think the floors are complete.
Yeah. So you were able to leave the rocker panels on there, huh?
What rockers? No, them are new ones inside.
Oh,
These are new inside.
no, the rocker panels.
Oh, no, they're originals. There's nothing wrong with them. They're solid.
So the roof is on.
Just gotta be welded down. Gotta put the dash in. That's coming up next. That's easy. But I'm going to insulate the firewall and all that first. I put that in this morning. See, it's all gone. All this lip metal here, it's all gone there. There's nothing. See this piece right here?
Yeah.
It's only a little bit, so now I had to reinforce. See what I did? I reinforced a big piece here.
I see that.
And now all this new is going to be welded down on it. Nice. Be nice and solid. And then see the headliner comes up around under here.
Right.
I got one piece I got to put here. See, it's rusted.
Go ahead, open it.
Yeah, see how nice.
Oh, wow. put all new hinges in there
All
then?
new, yeah, the hinges and pins and everything put in there.
Nice.
You can get it from this side here. See? Oh, I mean, yeah, you can see it from here.
Oh, yeah.
Both sides now.
Nice.
Even new springs. You got all that stuff.
Did you paint those?
Just, yeah, I bought some paint, just touch up. But that's going to be shot over.
Yeah. Is that the color you're going to go with?
Yeah, that's the color of the car.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Huh.
So now I gotta put this one in and weld it. See, I gotta weld it from the bottom up.
So they didn't come with a quarter panel though?
They didn't come with a quarter panel. See, now it makes this complete for your weather strip.
Right.
It's cheap. $50 for 2 pieces.
A lot of progress though. A lot of sheet metal. Very little sheet metal from the original part of the car is in there, but everything's going in. The doors are fitting real nice and stuff like that. You know, some problems with some of the sheet metal, just the way it fits, stuff like that. But hey, it's getting there. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. We'll keep you posted on how that car is coming. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And we'll catch you out while we're tooling around next time. See ya.